Hey guys, check it out. We're here in the city of Madrid. It's a quick layover for us, so we're gonna explore the city.
Yeah, we will show you what you could do on a quick trip here to Madrid, Spain.
Let's do it. That's 45 minutes later, we barely got out on that one. Wow.
Welcome to Madrid. Oh, we need to go on Plaza de San Miguel. Is that? Let's just walk and we'll figure it out.
It's crazy busy here. This is it. We're on the move, aren't we, babe?
We're running so fast. Madrid seems very metropolitan.
I'm gonna bring this city map with us. Since we don't have a ton of time, I don't wanna sit around guessing what we're doing or where we're going. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap on getting ready, and we're gonna head out into the city of Madrid. Cool, see you on the street. I took us the wrong direction.
Found it! If you just get general admission, it is €10. We added on the Palace Kitchen, and that was an additional €4.
Definitely buy tickets in advance.
Yeah, we probably would have done that had we known or
had any time to plan this.
You could cook a lot of steak on this grill.
€4 extra to see the kitchen is totally worth it.
Yeah, that was really cool.
That was cool. Kind of inspires me to go home and make some more food. Hopefully. Maybe. I better keep that inspiration, huh, babe?
You better. Keep it up. Keep thinking that. We're heading out now to discover the streets of Madrid.
Let's check this place out. Wow, high energy, lots of people, cafes, bars. It's beautiful.
Sangria and tapas.
As the camera is about to die, this camera can't keep up with our speed tonight. We're walking back to our hotel. The streets are lively here. Check it out.
This is unbelievable. To leave Madrid. 45 minutes.
God, we gotta go. We gotta pack. We're gonna be late for our flight. We gotta rush. Okay.
I'm so hungry.
We need to get a taxi. Jen at the moment is checking us in for our flight.
Yes. Save us a little time.
Oh, out of the cab. Lost Jen. There's Jen.
Alright, there is why we don't carry luggage that needs to be checked, and why we did our online check-in from the taxi. Now we're gonna have to maybe try this. I'm so excited. Oh my god.
Finished eating? Off to our gate. Move a little slower now. I think this is actually the first breath I've taken. About to board the plane.
The whirlwind trip, but it was really fun. Can't wait to get back here.